am a big advocate for Alex Murdaugh. I believe he is innocent. And today was a very big day for me. I have released some content, but I have more videos that I need to go over. I'm just appalled. I'm appalled at this decision that Supreme Court Justice Jean Toll has made. I feel like she's placed in a position of authority. If you feel... Okay, first off, okay, so my personal opinion, and I'm not saying this is her opinion, I'm saying this is my personal thoughts that are just going through my mind at this moment. I feel like that she feels as though Alex Murdaugh is guilty in regards to the murders, and she's afraid that by her making this to where he can get a retrial gives potential, I guess you could say potential, makes her feel as though she could be responsible for letting him go if he's found not guilty, if that makes sense. She doesn't want that on her shoulders. I kind of got that approach from the comments that she made before. Now, I'm not saying this is her opinion, she's not stated this, but I do feel like the fact that she is I apologize, she's a retired Chief Court Justice, Supreme Court Justice, a retired Supreme Court Justice judge should have absolutely no concerns about ruling on this case. And she had no concerns about ruling on this case until now. So you're going to get everybody involved, money, time, effort, hopes. She knew that there was jury tampering. She knew that Alex Murdaugh did not get a fair trial. So if you are strictly by the book and you believe in the laws being upheld, then you need to do what is supposed to be done. That's what you were placed in this position for. This is ridiculous. This has blown my mind. I'm just in shock. I'm appalled. I really don't know what else to say. I really, genuinely, I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know even what to think, because this lady is so well educated in the law and says she doesn't feel comfortable ruling on this. Well, that would mean that you have a very odd personal opinion that would have to be more or less feeling as though he's guilty of the murders, and you feel as though you don't want that on your conscience. That's just how I feel. I don't know why else she would ever say that, because she's highly knowledgeable. She's ruled on cases similar to this. Okay, first off, a Supreme Court justice, should I say, is going to encounter very, very difficult cases. They are in that position for a reason, and they are well qualified to rule on those cases. So it's not like she's never encountered this before. Aren't you used to ruling on cases that you're not familiar with? Like, this is all new to you. This is kind of what drives a Supreme Court justice. You're making these people completely change and make changes to cases, and I'm appalled. I don't even know what else to say. But I think that this is just another attempt to shoot down Alex. I'm sure prosecution's happy, but we don't really care. But one thing about it is, we're going to get a retrial. She knows that. That's why she made that, from the get-go. She made that, I should have known. She stated this from the get-go, and mentioned an appeal. That's why she stated she's not the final say-so, because she is filling in the position of Judge Newman. She's not acting as a Supreme Court justice, and I mean, she feels indifferent about it. I feel like she feels like he's kind of guilty, and she doesn't want that on her conscience of him potentially getting a retrial, and then and it being on her. That's just my opinion. But I mean, I don't care. I don't care how you feel about it. If you are that high in authority previously and you have been doing this a long time, then you shouldn't have a problem doing that. That's just my opinion.